Hi, are you looking for smart living, single family, one story, gated community home to move into? Welcome to SkySail. My name is Chris Alley. I am a local real estate agent here in Naples since the year 2000 and certified luxury home specialist. Today, we are going to take a tour of the Captiva model built by Neal Communities in SkySail. This is an amazing home and I know you're going to love it. So come on, let's go take a look. The Captiva is a well-balanced one-level home offering 3 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, an open great room concept, and a dedicated dining space. It has a covered lanai, a 2-car garage, and it's efficient without feeling tight, and that balance is important. Single-family homes in Naples, Florida are very popular. Buyers relocating here often prioritized convenience, no stairs, easy daily flow, and long-term capability. The Captiva checks all those boxes while still feeling elevated. The primary suite is positioned for privacy, and here's what to expect. Spacious bedrooms, dual vanities, walk-in shower, and walk-in closet. It feels private without being oversized. As we walk down this hallway, it leads us to the private primary suite, which has a standalone tub, a frameless glass shower, and here is one of the vanities that are set alone by itself, and you can see the other vanity in the mirror as it goes, the reflection. And here is the other vanity. And here is the private water closet area. And the large closet areas that we spoke about are right here. You have one on one side of the hallway leading into the primary bathroom. And the other walk-in closet on the other side. Look how far back that goes. Lots of space in here for the primary closets. With multiple bedrooms and optional layout variation, this model offers flexibility for guest suites, home office, hobby space, fitness room, seasonal visitors. That adaptability makes it appealing for both seasonal and full-time residents. This model is ideal for buyers downsizing from larger homes, couples relocating full-time, snowbirds wanting manageable space, buyers leaving dated communities for new construction, and anyone wanting modern design without going 2-story. It's practical, clean, and future-ready. As we walk into this area, you will see that this is another guest bedroom that has lots of space. This bed, just for frame of reference, is a queen-size bed, has a very large closet, and it's very private for your guest or if you want to use this as a home office. And here you can see, again, custom wooden cabinets with quartz countertops and tile going all the way up to the ceiling in the showers. This is quite an amazing shower. As you can see, the detail of the craftsmanship going all the way up. As we make our way out of the guest bedroom, you can see that it has this very large private laundry, so you can do laundry in here, and it's out of the way from where all of the activity is. You can close the door, and all the noise can be in there. This is one of our favorite rooms off of the lanai. It gives a lot of extra space to be able to entertain and just relax. Here is the den, and you can see it's quite big. So this can be used as an office as it's set up here, or it can be used as an extra entertainment center area. Look at the view from here. This allows you to be able to look out into the main living area and see all the amazing things that are happening here. One of the most popular options in the Captiva that people really enjoy about this home is the 90-degree slider that pockets into the wall to be able to open up the outdoor area to the inside. It's a quick transition from being able to come from inside to outside and see this amazing space that you have for your new home in SkySail, the Captiva model. As you can see that the ceilings are very high here as well, with lots of covered area to be able to entertain your guests, along with a custom outdoor kitchen equipped with a sink, refrigerator, and gas cooktop. And that is right. SkySail offers gas in all of their models to be able to enjoy the high efficiency things that you might have enjoyed in other homes that you have. Here you can see by just sitting right here that you have a quite amazing view all the way around. There are many amazing views here in SkySail where you will be able to see all the outdoor areas and a lake just like this. This home comes complete with travertine, a pool deck, and it has a custom hot tub and spa built right for your enjoyment.